Hi, Kevin from Energetics at Mind Body Spirit Festival. I'd just like to show you how electricity in the body works. This little toy, because the body's electric, this goes off because we get flow between us. When we have problems in the body, it's because that flow is static. And that flow can be static because you have an accident, or it might be static because you have a functional problem, or it might be static because you have an emotional problem, because the electricity is the same as the electricity. What we do is restore flow to restore function. So if you see these people here being treated, this guy here's got a sore back. So we're getting flow through his back to fix him. This person here's got a hip problem. So we're getting flow through the hips, because if you make it flow, you get rid of the problem. There's an old line in Chinese medicine about 2,000 years ago that says, movement, no pain. No movement, pain. This is referring to the electrical system. This is how we treat. So if you'd like a treatment, come down to Mind Body Spirit, come and see us, Energetics.